What's up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today, doing Tim Foust, Will You Still Love Me? Tomorrow / stay. I believe someone told me that this person was from Home Free, maybe? I think so. I didn't write it down. I don't really know the Home Free people's names except for Rob, and everyone else I don't really know, so I'm sure I'll recognize him once I see him if he's from Home Free. If not, then I don't know. We'll see. Let's jump right into it. So here we go.
Tonight you're mine completely.
Okay, yeah. Gotcha.
You give your love so sweetly.
So he's the bassist for
Tonight the light of love is in your eyes. But will you love me tomorrow?
So won't you stay just a little bit longer? Please let me. You say you will.
I was not expecting that at all.
Won't you place your sweet lips
So he gets to get everything.
mine? Won't you say you love me all of the time? Oh, yeah, a little bit longer. Please, 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 tell me you're going to. Now your daddy don't mind, and your mama don't mind, if we have another dance, just one more time. Won't you stay
A little bit longer. Please let me stay. You say you stay. Come on, come on, come on and 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 stay.
Wow.
Thank you so much for watching my rendition of a couple of songs that I always love sung by Frankie Valli and the Four Seasons, as well as many others. This song is available on an album called Pieces of Me Volume 1, and you can find that at timfaustmusic.com.
I said his
If
name
you're
right.
interested in helping
That's
me
good.
make more of the music you love and getting some really cool exclusive perks in the process, please check out my Patreon campaign. That's patreon.com/timfaustmusic. Thanks for watching.
Right. Awesome. That was really good. Right in the beginning, I didn't know what that song was when he was doing the real deep part. And I could have swore it was just going to be just a bass version of some kind of song. And then it kicked in with that the high note, which really took me by surprise. But that's when I recognized the song. It's okay, I remember that song. It's a good song, man. He did amazing. And it seems like he can sing everything. I'm not sure if he's like the bass singer for Home Free, or I know that people say that all of them can do everything, but I don't really know what his like specific, or do they have specific like bass and stuff. But if you guys have more suggestions, you can throw those in the comment section below with some more Tim Foust, since it's the first one I have ever done by him. And would love to do some more by him. Put those down there. And I got the Battle of the Bands going. Tim Foust is not on there, but Home Free is, and I think they won their first matchup already. It'll be a little before we get back to them, but you can check out the other ones on my YouTube page over community. You got a new poll every day on there, so check it out. It's been fun. I'm gonna head out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.